uShaka Marine World, nestled along Durban's Golden Mile, is a blend of entertainment, excitement, and education, all set within a sprawling 16-hectare beachfront property. This captivating marine theme park, which opened its doors on April 30th, 2004, is a premier attraction in Durban, offering a diverse array of experiences from adrenaline-pumping rides at the Wet n Wild to the immersive underwater journey in SeaWorld, which stands as one of the world's largest aquariums. The park's SeaWorld is its crown jewel, where visitors can marvel at a variety of marine creatures, from turtles and sharks to penguins and the famed dolphins, offering an educational yet thrilling experience. Notably, uShaka is the only venue in South Africa where one can witness dolphins, a testament to its unique offerings. Adding to the park's allure is the Phantom Ship, a life-sized replica of a 1920s cargo ship, housing various exhibits, including the Dangerous Creatures exhibit. Here, visitors can encounter a range of venomous beings, adding a touch of adventure to the experience. Despite its success and popularity, it has navigated through financial challenges, yet it continues to attract visitors from all corners of the globe. uShaka Marine World, where every visit is an adventure, every moment is a memory, and every experience contributes to a greater understanding and appreciation of our blue planet.